Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make stop. So I will minimize this first. Okay, if you are ready to open the NX Siemens Software, you must click new on here, and then you select the model, and then click on here. Give the name of the part that you want to be draw 3.26 stop, and then click OK or click enter on your keyboard. I will select click OK. File already exists, so I will change the name of this part like this, and then click OK. Okay, after click OK, you can click on this picture. So I will make this first. Okay, I will define that this is the front view, and then this is top view. Okay, I will make from this something like that. I will use the line, so I will select sketch, select on here and click OK. After that, you click the profile. After click profile, you make like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right click and then OK. After that, you define the dimension from here to here is 113. So this is 113. Double click on here and then enter and then close. So for the height of this part is 50, so I will select this rapid dimension from here to here is 50, enter and then close. After that, I will define the dimension from here is 14 and this is 10. Okay, select this rapid dimension, select from this to this, give 10, and then from this to this is 16 and then close. Not 16 but 14. Double click again, edit your dimension, enter, close, and then I will go into the finish sketch and go into this view and then click the extrude, select this curve. I will select the symmetric value. The thickness is 66. I will write on this 66 by divided by 2, enter, and then apply and then cancel. After that, I will make the radius on this edge and this edge. The radius is 6, so I will select this edge plane and fill with 6 value, enter, select this edge and then apply and then cancel. Okay, after that I will make this V model like this. I will select from the top view. I will select sketch, select here and here, and then click OK. Something like that, and then you must click the profile, click from here to here and then to here, right click and then OK, right click and then OK. After that, I will give the angle. The angle is 90. Click here and select angular dimension from here to here is 90, enter and then close. Okay, after that I will give the dimension from here to here is 25. Okay, select rapid dimension from here to here is 25, enter, close, and then I will select this to this. I will select this with manual, something like this, and then okay, I will select this line from here to here, right click and then okay. I will make this line on the center, select line from here to here, right click and then okay, click here and then click vertical, okay, something like that. Click this line and right click and then select convert to reference. I will select this isometric view and then you must select extrude, and then I will select subtract command. I will drag with manual going to the bottom and then click apply. Okay, after the V model is make it, I will make this. Okay, select this sketch, select on here and click this. Okay, something like this is no problem. Select this rectangle from here to here, right click and then okay, and then I will select this project curve, select this edge and apply. After that cancel, select this point to this and I will select the coincident. No, not like this. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z again, Ctrl Z. I will make the manual from the profile, from here to here to here and then to here to here, right click and then okay. Okay, I will select the dimension, something like that. Give the dimension is 32, select this and then fill with 32 and then apply, close, and then click the line, select this midpoint and this, right click and then okay, select this line and then make the parallel, something like that, and done. Click here, right click and then convert to reference and click here to here, click here to here. Okay, with manual no problem. Click here to here, no problem like this. Okay, after that I will extrude with the tip of extrude is 16. Okay, click finish sketch, going to extrude, select this, reverse the direction, if dimension is 16, enter, and then apply, and then cancel, and then select this line, right click and then hide, select this sketch, right click and then hide all the sketch. Okay, like this. Okay, your model will be finished. So I will select this, I will to make it this circle, select this sketch and then click this, then click OK, select this circle, from here make the strike like this and like this, and you must define your dimension. Dimension is 16, so I will select rapid, select this and fill with 16 and this 16, enter, click close, and then I will give the distance from here to here is 22, click rapid dimension, select this point to this point is 22, close, and then from here to here is 30H. Select this to this is okay. Select this rapid dimension. Select this to this is 30H. Then close. Okay, it can be moved, so I will select this line from here to here and from here to here. Right click and then okay, click this line and then you must click this. Okay, already strike, click here and here, right click and then convert to reference. After that you can extrude. Okay, this is must be horizontal also. Okay, the sketch is fully constrained. I will select this trimetric value, click finish sketch and click extrude. I will select this circle 1 and 2 and then reverse the direction, select the subtract command, and then I'm going to make the hole to the bottom like this. I will make with the manually, click apply and then cancel. Okay, something like it. Okay, I will show you how to make the different color. So I will select the view, select show and hide, and I will hide the sketch and datum, click close. Okay, okay, I will change this color, select the render, click through setting and then click global material. I will select this. Okay, something the model is like this, and then thank you for watching my video. See you on the next video. Thank you.